Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. I got another technical analysis today. It's going to be a great episode. It's going to be a great episode for many reasons, guys. One reason being, I'm in a great mood today, guys. I have a lot of energy. I'm feeling real focused. I feel like I've eliminated a bunch of brain fog. Is it because XRP's over $1? Probably, but I'm sure it's also a mixture of other things too. Anyways, guys, yeah, it's just been a beautiful day today, I'm just I want to get into this, I want to go over our XRP here, go over maybe Bitcoin a little bit and then just follow up on Poly cuz I don't know if y'all were keeping an eye on it. Poly from our last video, it was down like 18% and we were talking about potential trade and yeah, it bounced back nice, guys. I'm excited to go over it. So, anyways, let's get into this video, guys, because I got a lot to give today, guys. I'm in a very giving mood. But before I can give you guys anything, I have to tell you I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, and it's for entertainment purposes only. But now that you know that, I can give you everything, right? Cool. So, let's get into it. Here we go. We got XRP, guys, on the daily chart. Y'all getting good at this, right? So let's take a look. What's happening with our baby XRP? We got our big push, we break the level, we pull back, bulls try again, volume falls off hard, and now we're red again. We also didn't take out this candle, so could that mean there's a pullback? Of course, we could definitely see a pullback here, guys. We definitely could. Or they could just be loading up slowly, slowly but surely before the next move up. Because there's definitely going to be a next move up, guys. There's rumors going around. Coinbase is about to relist XRP. It's over when that happens, guys. I really do believe when XRP gets relisted on Coinbase, we're going to set a new all-time high. I don't see how we don't. I mean, think about it. All these people were in and got shook out. And then they're going to be like, right now, actually, they're like, damn, we were right. But we sold. We got to get back in. But they don't know how to get back in. Most exchanges don't offer XRP right now. So then, when Coinbase relists, all those people right here, these people on this crazy day, this brutal week right here, all these people get a chance to come back in. Especially after seeing all of us and how good we've done. Especially the ones who got in at 20 cents, 17 cents. Congratulations to y'all. Wow. I mean, that's a great entry. Great entry. That's five for $1. Come on, five for $1. Now look, $1 doesn't even get you a whole XRP. Do you see how things have changed? It's crazy, right? Anyways, when Coinbase relists, I do believe we're going to set a new all-time high. That in combination with Ripple beating the SEC in this lawsuit. Put those two together, I mean, that's a lot of money that's going to flood in, guys. That is a lot of money that's going to flood in. So, yeah, are we going to get that pullback? It's tough because we're definitely due for another bullish move up, guys. I know we do a lot of support resistance, but another thing, another type of analysis I like to do is Elliott wave. And, I mean, this is a daily chart, so, it's how you interpret it, which means there could be that pullback down to 80 cents. But we could be moving up, guys. This could be the start right here. This could be wave one. We get our pullback, and then wave two. And that's kind of where I'm leaning, guys, because this is a little too far back for me to start the count over here. But that's just how I do it. I'm starting from a fresh move. We ranged, and then boom. Here's our first impulse move up. Then we get our corrective wave, and then we'll get our third impulse move. Well, our second impulse move up. It'll be our third wave. And that, guys, y'all know how I feel. Y'all know how I feel. Right up here, $1.50. I think that's where we're going next. I mean, we go 50 cents from right here, guys. Man. Man. That is a big day, guys. What isn't that like a 50% day? You're doing half the value in one day or 2 days or whatever. How I mean it moves fast, guys. XRP moves fast. So yeah, to y'all who got in early, I know y'all feeling great, guys, and it's only gonna feel better. Anyways, let's get back into our analysis, guys. So back to XRP. There's if it does put man, it's gonna be hard to take out 70 cents, right? With everything we know now, it's gonna be hard to take out 70 cents, guys. You're gonna need some scary shit to happen to take out 70 cents. I'm talking some scary shit. It's gonna, I mean, to take out 70 cents, you're gonna need a scary day like that. At this point, too many people know about it. Wait till the media pushes it, guys. When Coinbase relists, that's gonna make news. And then when the price explodes, it's already outperformed Bitcoin this year. XRP's done like 500% on the year already. And we did it fast, guys. Did it fast. So, I mean, there's so many things happening, and it just lines up. The Elliott wave analysis, just with also understanding the fundamentals and support resistance levels on this project, it's all lined up very, very nice. And then the fact that we got major events that can just catapult this thing, when we beat the SEC and when we get relisted, because you gotta remember too, guys, Coinbase is not the only exchange. There's many exchanges that have halted XRP trading. Binance halted it as well. I mean, Binance is no little exchange, guys. All right, the global Binance is the biggest exchange in the world. Okay, not Binance US. I'm talking like Binance. It's the biggest exchange by volume in the world, guys. All right. Binance is no slouch. They're gonna follow Coinbase lead if they don't do it first, of course, you know. But I think Coinbase, that's the one that like cements it. So when will this happen? Who knows? I'm hearing some people say May. I mean, I hear some people say it could be April. Some people say June. I think we got a little time, so just a little bit of time because Coinbase is about to IPO on the 14th. So I feel like they're not. I don't know. In my opinion, I feel like you'd kind of want to keep the focus on money going into your stock because everyone's gonna want to buy Coinbase stock, guys. Everyone. I want to buy Coinbase stock. If you don't want to buy Coinbase stock, I know a lot of people don't like Coinbase, guys, but it's gonna perform. It's gonna perform very well, in my opinion. So, but think about it. Why would they want the money that investors have right now to flow into their IPO? If XRP wins, all that money's gonna flow there, guys. So I think it's gonna be a little bit of time still, while Coinbase goes through this IPO before we really see that money flood in that relist. So, anyways, guys, that's our little XRP analysis. I know not much has changed on the daily charts. Only been a couple days. Let's zoom down real quick. See what the 4 hours telling us. 4 hours not showing too much excitement at these prices, which I don't blame, because I'm not too excited to buy XRP at these prices either. But again, at the same time, the big money, they buy slowly, guys. They can't just put one big ass order in. Who's gonna sell to them if they put $1 billion? If somebody right here said, "Hey, I'm putting $1 billion in," I have $1 billion I want on XRP right now. Are you gonna sell? You're gonna be like, "Oh, damn, somebody wants $1 billion. He's gotta know something. I'm not selling mine. Fuck that. I'm holding my XRP. This guy wants $1 billion of them. Somebody else, some other sucker can sell it. I'm keeping it. This shit's about to go to the moon." Exactly, guys. They can't flash their orders. So what we could be witnessing right now is them just slowly stacking up 100K, 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 100K. That's definitely in the realm of possibility, you know? It doesn't show a lot of excitement. There are ways to tell, there are ways to read it to where they really show their hand or not if they're stacking. I'm not going to get into it in this video. We have to go over a lot of things. Really, it's something I'd kind of rather go over in my digital course or like in a one-on-one consultation. But there are ways to really read their hand, guys, So to me, I'm just so bullish on XRP right now. That's why, like, especially if you don't have a lot of XRP, you don't really have that luxury. If I didn't have a lot of XRP, if I wasn't satisfied with my XRP, I'd probably still be trying to scoop some right now, even just a little bit over $1. It's just not as much. I'd really be praying for a pullback. And that pull, I mean, look at guys, our 50 moving average is chilling in that 80 cent range where we also got a wick holding up the structure. This is the zone right here. If 80 cents goes out, there's potential to dump. There's potential to get down to that 70 cent range, guys. So I feel like a lot of people might be praying and hoping for that. But I'll tell you, praying and hoping doesn't do much in these markets, guys. Um, it doesn't care if you want it to pull back. It doesn't care if you want it to go up. It's just gonna do what it does. That's why you have to really get into this and be unbiased. You can't let your emotions get involved. A lot of people they play with their emotions though when they get in here. But when you actually read it, when you know the structures, when you know what you're doing, when you have a strategy, a plan, when you're prepared, preparation, guys, creates confidence. Trust me. I promise you. I promise you. When you have a plan, when you're prepared, you can take action. You can be decisive. You can tap into those traits you're going to need to be successful. When you lack confidence, it's because you lack preparation. And if you lack preparation, I mean, come on, just on a psychological level, you're not going to have that belief, guys. Because you didn't prepare. So it really is just a gamble at that point. That's not going to give you much control on your risk management when you're just gambling and your emotions are dictating everything for you. All right. So back to what I was saying. If I didn't have a lot of XRP, I would still be scooping, just not as much. Okay. I mean, I'd be trying to get a good amount. I don't. It's hard to tell because everyone's so different. I can't really give a number. I'd be accumulating, guys, but not too much because there is, with how the structure is currently set up, there is a good chance that it could get you a better price. But at the same time, because you don't have enough, time's not on your side. In my opinion, if you want to get in on the XRP play, you have until Coinbase relists. And when Coinbase relists, who knows what's going to happen at that point? Who knows what fundamental news could come out at that point? All right. Remember, guys, this isn't investment advice. I'm not telling you invest in XRP right now and buy it at $1. I'm just saying it's a way to look at it. If you're bullish on XRP and you're not happy with your position size, time is not on your side, guys. So you're almost getting forced to accumulate. And that cost is extra risk you carry. But here's the thing, guys, and this is how I approach it. If it's something I'm like super bullish on, guys, there's this other coin right now, guys. This thing is driving me crazy. The people who join my webinar, they're gonna get told what this coin is. All right. I am so bullish on this coin, guys, and every day it just keeps going up. I'm so bullish on it, guys. I'm buying it. I don't care if it's going up. That's how good of a deal it is right now, and that's how much I believe in it. But I'm not going crazy as I buy at these higher prices. I'm just scooping a little bit so I can make sure I have some. I know if I get that pullback, I'm gonna load up, and if not, at least I was scooping something I'm comfortable with. I'm not going crazy. I mean, I am because like I am telling you guys, I am FOMOing so hard, and it just keeps going up. I keep looking at the daily chart. I'm like, it can't go up. It can't keep going. It can't, and it's proven me wrong, guys. But I know eventually it's going to come back. And that's when we can start to get involved because then we kind of know what we're dealing with. Right now, I don't want to chase it. I do want exposure, so I don't mind putting a little bit because I'm going to cost average in. And when I get those better prices, hopefully, if this is, again, why you got to know risk management because we might not get better prices. But this is why you got to know how to scale in, scale out. You got to know how to get into a position. All right? So, anyways, XRP guys, we're done with that. Let's go to Bitcoin real quick. I just want to see what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the daily. How do y'all feel? Does this give you guys confidence? Does this jump out to you and say, man, there's so many people who want this right now. I gotta get in. It's about to pop. If that's what it says to you, you should be getting in, right? That's not what it says to me. I'm telling you now, that's not what it says to me. This is telling me, hey, I'm rolling over. All right, I'm ready to turn. All right, this thing explode, explode. Look at this, guys. Explosion, pullback, explosion, pullback, and then last push, guys, and now it's rolling, and then boom, comes down. I'm telling you, 40K. It's gonna be here in no time, guys. That's 17,000, almost $18,000 drop from where we are right now. So, my opinion hasn't changed on Bitcoin. I think we're still due. Anyways, guys, let's get ready to wrap this video up. I want to go over Poly real quick. 50 cents, guys. 50 cents. Real quick, we're gonna switch to an hour. This is where we did our analysis in my last video. I hope y'all got in. If y'all got in, woo, y'all are doing great. And where I measured it from, we didn't even, that's not where we would have got in if we were, trading this the right way, and we still would have had a great price. Anyways, guys, we did our last video. We were right here. All right? We were right here, guys. And what did we do? We drew these lines. Remember I told you I was going to leave the lines up. I have not touched the chart since. Y'all can go pull up the last video and go look it down to the digit. Where these lines are, they have not moved. Okay, guys? And look what happened. Remember, we needed a range. That was one of the things we needed. We needed a range to confirm that we were ready to pop for a high probability trade. So when we were talking about it, it didn't start ranging yet. It came down, and look at that, guys. 2 wicks, nice volume. This was the buyer showing his hand. He's loading up. Pops up, comes back, one more wick, and then boom. We're ready to go. Look at that. Low, higher low. All right. This is what showed it right here, guys. And there's the pop. Where did it pop to, guys? To our line, right? Perfect. Perfect. Did we call that or what? That is great. And then it held. And then where did it go next? Wicks on our line on the bottom of our zone, 45 cents right here, 45.3. 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wick, 4 wick, then finally pops up, and now it's hitting the top. And look where the battle happens. Bears try to bring it down, bulls try to bring it up, and then bulls held. And look at that, right to our line, guys. Again, the bottom of the next level, and now we're struggling. This is where there's more selling pressure. We can tell. We can tell. Just look right here. There is more selling pressure up here. This is where the selling pressure really kicks in. This is a more powerful level than these smaller levels. These were little hurdles, little obstacles on our way. Now what we need is for the bulls to show strength here and blast through this. But look what they got to get through. First off, they can't even get through the bottom of this level of this zone. They have to blast through this zone, and then they have to deal with the 200 moving average. And look at all this selling that occurred before. Okay, guys? So, this could easily be a pullback for these sellers to dump the price even lower. That is definitely in the, like, it's there. Like, it's on the table, okay? It is on the table. It's just all how it plays out here. Now, buyers might be getting ready to launch this thing. All right. I mean, we do got a very nice wick here, and we did get some really good volume, guys. Okay. Even on the candle with the wick, we got great volume. All right. But right now, we see the volume increasing, and the candle is not performing. All right. This is perfect. We'll end this video in a few minutes here, guys. We got 1 minute and 53 seconds left. This is perfect. We'll see how this candle ends, and then we'll get to see the reaction right after. All right. Here we are on a 15-minute time frame, guys. Dump. Buyers, they didn't really show excitement here, guys. And this is weakness. This is weakness. Look at that. That wick is saying, man, we're here. Us sellers are here. So this is going to be interesting. Let's get back on this 1 hour real quick. We got a minute and 15 seconds left, guys. Minute and 15 seconds. This is going to be fun. I love watching candles close, guys. Preferably the higher time frames, like the 4 hour, the daily. I love watching those candles. The weekly. All right, look at that. Sellers are coming in. We're watching it on the 5 minute right now, guys. We see the volume starting to increase as they're coming in. It's probably because people looking at the hour are anticipating it to come down because they're not seeing strength on the hourly time frame. So we'll see here though. We're gonna, ooh, just like that. Get a little wick. That's why we wait for candles to close, guys. Anything can change. This thing could just start exploding right now, you know? So, and then if it closes up here, we're gonna have a whole different sentiment than if it closes like this. All right. This is why we wait. And that's why you see a lot of action at the end and the beginning of candle formations. Because people are trying to get as much information as possible before they decide where they're going to bet. Bulls want to make this look bullish. Bears want to make it look scary or like it's running out of steam. And look at that. Look at that. That it dumped here and somebody immediately bought. That's usually not a good sign, guys. That wouldn't make me excited. But let's go to 1 hour. Man, it's just flowing. It just looks like it's hanging now, right? That doesn't excite me. I do like the wick. I really do like the wick. I like it a lot, but with something this beautiful, you would expect more excitement. You'd expect more power coming in, you know? So, I don't know. We'll keep our eye on it, guys. I think, in my opinion, I think the sellers are getting ready to smack it down. It could make a push for that 200. It's definitely possible. This is a great project. Let me see something real quick. This is why I like the higher time frame. I mean, look, guys, that's a lot of green. It was pretty weak. I mean, it got this big volume on the last push and still got rejected, you know? I mean, it looks like a pullback is due, maybe to like 46 cents, 45 cents, right? Right? Real quick, real quick. I just want to do something, guys. We'll go over this more in the future. It's a Fibonacci retracement. I like these, but you gotta know how to use them the right way. I don't like to use them the way a lot of people like to use them, like the mainstream way. Yeah, right here is cool. We'll put it there. So, I mean, that 382 level's lined up really nice with the 45 cent range, guys. That's a pretty good pullback. You know, a lot of people would consider that safe, but because of how weak it was on the way up, I don't think that would hold, which means I think a lot of people would probably the fib traders would target this 618 level, which would be 42.5 cents. That actually is pretty nice in my opinion. I feel like I wouldn't mind buying it right there. I mean, look, guys, wouldn't that be a great price? Here, let's put a line real quick. Let's put a line real quick. Horizontal line. 42.5 cents. Hold on 1 second. Put right there. We'll make it blue. So yeah, I wouldn't mind on a pullback right here if I saw buyers get excited. It's pretty deep, guys. It's pretty deep, but I think because of how weak it went up, it needs to be pretty deep to get people excited again. And I mean, as also if it pulled down to this 42.5 cent, I mean, there'd be your low, there'd be your higher low, right, guys? Holds and then boom, takes off. And then from 42 cents, I think you could make a better case to travel higher. It doesn't make sense to just sit here like this and then travel all the way up to probably right here. We'll make that orange as well. All right, that 62 cent range, that's going to be really where Polly's gonna have to deal next. So, but yeah, I think a pullback is due before we take off. So we'll keep our eye on it, guys. Anyways, I know this video's been, a little bit long tonight. But yeah, we just had a lot to go over. We had to cover XRP real quick, and I just want to follow up on this Poly trade. This trade's just giving us a chance to really like just learn more. You know, we're getting to watch it. I can kind of show you some of the stuff like in action, and we get to follow along. So and it's just such a great setup. It was so like the from when we caught it to where we're at now. It's just a great setup. It's I hope it's helping you guys. Anyways, we will definitely get back at it. I'll be back with another video, guys. I love making these. I mean, I found this poly trade making the last video. It's fucking awesome, guys. Finding trades while you're making free content. Does life get any better than that? I mean, come on, my phone just went ding. That's the Sonic ring, guys. Cause my little tails love Sonic. Come on, guys. That's the universe confirmation right there. So, anyways, though, we're gonna wrap this video up, guys. I still got a long night. I have to go do a quick little meditation. I'm listening to this audiobook, guys. It's the greatest book of all time. See that? It's the greatest book of all time, guys. Come on. Come on. Anyways, it's called A Course in Miracles, guys. I mean, I've finished the book a couple times. I think this is my third time. I've read the first, I think, 4 or 5 chapters probably like 7 or 8 times. It's so deep. There's so much to absorb, guys. Anyways, I mean that I laid down last night for an hour and 17 minutes and I listened to that video or to that audiobook, and man, guys, it just like nourished my soul, guys. It just helped me realign a lot of my thoughts. I think that's why my energy's so strong today. Why I feel so good today. I just got a lot of like nutrition into my soul last night, and just hearing things, sometimes just hearing it again or having a different perspective, or just with information changing and then hearing something. I mean, it can resonate in a whole different way, guys. Just on a super high frequency right now. And with XRP over $1, that always makes it great too. People are like, well, what if it goes under $1? Great, then I get to buy more at a cheaper price. It's a win-win situation. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Anyways, guys, it was a fun video tonight. I hope y'all learned something. Hope I helped y'all. We keep cranking these out, y'all. We're gonna keep, moving forward with it and everything, guys. If you got in on the poly trade, let me know. I hope you enjoyed that 20% gain. Look, and that's from the yellow line, guys. That's from just where we were talking about it. You're at 20.5% from where we were talking. Really, you should have gotten down here when you started seeing the wicks. So, I mean, that'd be even more gains, guys. In 2 days. In 2 days. Pew, pew. That's how we do it, baby. But alright, guys, I'm gonna let y'all get going. I'll see y'all at the next video.